Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today, this is today Friday freebie. So it's a lovely free printable, as you can tell, very Valentine's inspired, because yeah, this month it is a lot of love. There's a lot of love to share, and just let's try to remember to share the love every single day of our lives. Let's not just wait for February. So this page here has been designed using some embellishment, some elements from the February VIP Lounge membership. In case you guys are new to my channel, I offer a monthly membership where every month my lovely VIP members get lots of papers from me, and they get papers, tags, embellishment, gift boxes, etc, etc. Before I tell you where to find this lovely freebie, let me showcase the VIP papers for the month of February. This collection is called Love is in the Air, and sorry if it's cringe, but of course it's to celebrate the song Love is in the Air, do 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 do, love is in the air. I mean, I can't sing. I got loads of talents, but singing is not one of them. So Love is in the Air is because you will see in just a second, all these pages, all this collection is based on cherubs. And cherubs are into clouds because they're all flying lovely angels. So that's what I thought, you know, being in the air, being in the clouds, etc. Yeah, I'm a bit crazy. So let me show you the pages one by one very quickly, because I don't want to take a lot of your time. So this is the first background. Then it's got lots of like pinks and pale green. This is the second, when you got a bit of like olive green and gold. Love him. Absolutely love him. Another background here with 3 cherubs with I put some floral with this lovely grungy background. Another one. I think it really works. I'm trying to give you a bit of contrast with the prettiness, cuteness of the cherubs with more like a grungy writing and, you know, background that looks like it's been made with a jelly print, if it makes sense. It's another one. You can if you love cherubs like I do, you can also print this and frame them and just put it into your walls like a form of art. Nothing stops you. Then another one, I'll just put a frame of roses, just some flowers, and again I think all the colors works together. It's very pretty, very florally and pinky. Then I gave you 4 different backgrounds that you can make vintage tags, cards, or like greetings cards. You can also make like notebooks if you fold them in half. And then the last page is a collection of tags. So you've got 5 tags that got the same sizes and 2 large tags that I put sideways because I wanted to give you some option. Okay. Each month you also get a set of bookmarks or tags. Completely depends what you want to do with them. So this month is a lovely fox. Again, trying to keep all like pretty and green and flowers. So this is a set of 4 little bookmarks. Let me know what we should call this lovely fox. What's her name? She's definitely a girl because she's really, really, you know, sassy and pretty. She's got lovely bundle in there. Yeah, just let me know in the comment down below a name for the fox. Each month you also get a gift box letter. So we've done all the alphabet. We are now to letter V, and of course, funny enough, Valentine's V, or coincidence. So this month, this is what you get. So it's letter V. So if you print this on cardstock, you can make your own gift box. So you've got all the tabs. This is probably one of the easiest letters to make. So this is the front and that's the back. Now, it's completely up to you. This can be the V that stays on the front, and that could be the one is on the back, or vice versa. And because I had like half page free, I thought I'm going to give you an extra little gift, which is a pillow box. Okay, I'm going to show you in just a second what this letter and the gift box looks like when it's done up. This is what the 3D letter looks like. It's because it's like a 3D, it stands on its own. So this can be a gift box as well if you fill it with goodies before you attach the top. But this is what it looks like. I've got, let me show you the complete alphabet. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S. Lovely, like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. Okay, and also every month you get a digital magazine. So this month is the Gardener's World, and this is the issues of February 2019. And these magazines, of course, I just give you a quick flick through as I talk over. You can print them, you can read them, you can print pages and create a project. Okay, use it as I said, as a reader on your iPad or PC, etc. But these are fabulous content, especially if you like gardening. But also I picked these magazines because it's full of flowers and like lots of like different informations if you are a green thumbs. But yeah, look at this page, there's lots of different flowers. Okay, last but not least, each month you get a gift from me. It normally is another collection. So my gift for you, for all my lovely VIP members in February, is another paper pack. Yeah, I'm going huge this month because it's sharing the love, and this is my love to every single one of you for all your continuous love and support. So this is called the Whimsical Love because it's also like whimsical animals, little characters. Again, I kept a floral background, but I wanted to keep the pink and these pastels colors. I don't really like striky colors, so I thought, well, let's keep it a bit settled, a bit soft. Okay, so you've got background, another floral background. Look at him, he's in cutest little animal on this planet. It's a little creature. We got little bear holding balloons, another plain background. Now you don't have to use this for Valentine's, you can use this for everything because it's quite neutral, I guess. Another one with the two characters, again another plain background. And look at him, I love her, I love her dress. She's got, well, actually it's a little cardigan on the dress. Okay, so this is my little gift for you. Okay guys, now you saw the papers and everything. If you wish to join, let me showcase where you can find my VIP membership on my website. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. Okay, so you can pay monthly, or you can have one payment on the yearly, where it's £20 a year. Okay, so you just pay once. On this, you pay monthly. On this, you only pay once. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And I really appreciate every single one of you. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, so going back to the freebie, there is the ways to get this lovely freebie. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay, guys, I'm going to go big thumbs up if you like this freebie. Every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get lots of notifications. So your comments, of course, subscribe, etc. Every interaction is much appreciated because it helps my channel here on this platform. So even a really cheeky thumbs up is much appreciated. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next time, stay safe and well. Bye.